Hey, what's up guys? Today we are going to practice how to split S, and I'm gonna teach you how to do it. Let's see. Okay, there you go. Let me start the GoPro recording. Started. We'll bring it out. Okay, right there. Okay, cool. Let's see. And then that's my goggles. So let's see. I'm gonna adjust the camera. Hopefully it captures the radio. I don't know. I don't know. I can't see. There's no display. It turns off the display right away. All right. All right. So let's see. All right. So again, we are going to practice split S. And I'm glad I feel better now. Okay, let me start. And I'm gonna show you how to, oh, it's windy. How to move the sticks. Okay, it's arm, all right? Okay. Let's do some ripping first. Yeah, before I teach you. Okay. All right, let's go. Let's start from this side. I'm gonna teach you how to split S. All right, so watch my fingers. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna blip it. When I say blip, look at my throttle, the left stick. Blip is like that, right? And then once I blip it when I'm above the tree, I'm gonna kill the throttle by putting the throttle to low, and then like 0, and then I'm gonna roll to the left because that's where I'm used to.
Telemetry lost.
There you go. It's kind of hard because there's a sun. Blip.
Telemetry
And then roll.
recovered.
Right? There you go. I could hardly see. Blip. I might hit the branch. I'm kind of scared. Oops. Blip and then roll. So the roll is really little. Blip. Roll a little. There you go. Blip. There you go. So look at my right finger. I'm gonna roll it. See, I do a little roll, quite honestly, maybe like 10%. Blip, and then roll a little. There you go.
21.7.
Yeah, it's cold. The battery's down already because it's a little cold. Yeah. Yep. Blip and then roll. Oh, forgot to say I forgot one step. So again, you blip, you roll, and then we recover. Blip, roll, recover the throttle. There you go. I forgot to say that. Okay. Blip.
21.6 volts.
Recover. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, our battery is almost dead. Blip, roll, recover. Can you hear the blip, roll, blip, roll, recover? Forgot to say.
21.7
There you
volts.
go. There you go. That's how you split S.